Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Polkadex. I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. If you haven't seen the previous update, watch that before watching this one so that you have more context. It's going to be linked in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now, I also have two donation links down below in the description if you want to support the Ukrainian refugees or our military. Feel free to do so by going over to the official websites linked down below. The funds do not go through me in any sort of way. Thank you all for supporting my country. Thank you all for supporting my channel. Let's get straight to the technical analysis. So as you can see, we did have this channel down pattern here that we started in May, and the last bounce from the support was in July. From there, we entered a nice uptrend into August, as most altcoins did, and from there, we saw a move all the way back down to where we came from. However, this is even quite more negative than all the other altcoins because we lost our July low here, and we went lower. And that's not good because you're losing a key support level. This was a key support level for us, and we lost that at $1.30. And right now what happened is we are back above the level. We had a couple of pumps. We retested the top of the channel as support multiple times here. You had a little fake out down below at the end of September. We managed to pump out of that. And as you can see, we broke out of this falling wedge that we were in. We had two touches, one touch of the support here, second touch of the support here, multiple resistance touches, and our technical target was all the way up here at $2.18. We ended up going to $2.20. Didn't retrace all the way up to our technical target, unfortunately, but we could be on our way there. So then we went back and retested the support of the channel, which was previous resistance, and we have a V-shaped recovery. So if we do get a bullish cross on the daily chart, that's not going to be a big deal because this is a bear market, and once you get overextended and you're away from the EMAs, you typically come back down and then you print a bearish cross soon after. So you need to look at Bitcoin to see if the altcoins are going to be doing healthy or not. So our first major resistance level is going to be all the way here at the 1.618 at $1.89. If I zoom out and show you the Fibonacci retracement that I have set up, the arrows are pointing towards the swing low and the swing high. So the swing low was in July last year, the swing high was in August last year. From there, we capitulated all the way down to our 1.618 target, even lower than that to $1.30, and we still have a technical target here at $1 at our second fib level, right? So this was our kind of capitulation target, but we didn't end up going that low. However, it is still possible that we may see a retest somewhere down the line if Bitcoin decides to drop down to $14,000, okay? So just keep that in mind. Also, you have the next resistance level over here. Okay, if I just bring out a trend line and place a price tag on that. So that is going to be $2.18, simply because this is where we ran into resistance in August. And from there, we started pulling back down. So this is going to be a major resistance level for us after the 1.618 level. And after that, you have another level here at $2.45. Actually, a bit lower than that. Yeah, 44 cents. And this is the high that we printed in May after we started retracing after the capitulation, right? You came back up and you got rejected back down into this channel down pattern. And you usually break to the upside from the channel down patterns, and right now you're retesting the top of the channel as support, which is very bullish. That is a very good sign. And if you just zoom in or zoom out and take a look at the price action, we are very oversold here. If you take a look at the RSI and you compare the two charts, and you see that you're constantly printing higher lows on the RSI, which is a divergence. So you've been printing this divergence ever since July of 2021. And this is quite the bullish divergence, in my opinion, because it has been going on for almost a year. So you've been printing, actually not that much, no, since December. Okay, so since December 2021, you've been printing these higher lows on the RSI. However, the price action has been printing lower lows. And this is called a bullish divergence. Now, just because it has been going on for a very long time, that could be an indicator that we may see a very strong breakout for Polkadex, because at some point you're going to leave this pattern here. You're going to leave this zone here and you're going to come up, because nothing can go down forever unless it's a scam project. But Polkadex is not a scam project. It is a very, very good project. It's a DEX on the Polkadot network, and it has secured a parachain slot as well. So there's bright future for this project, and I do have a good stack of my tokens staking on the Nova wallet. So like I said, you had one last retest here in October 1st. You dipped into this buy zone that I had for you. As you can see, every time you're in this zone, you have a move to the upside. Same thing happened here. So once you were here October 1st, that was an incredible opportunity for a 58%, 59% trade, because we pumped afterwards. So like I said, this zone, just look out for it. Have it on your chart on the RSI, and every time you're in that zone, I would dollar cost average into Polkadex. Just my personal opinion, not a financial advice. So on its own, Polkadex right now has no incentive to go up, obviously, because we are in a bear market and the sentiment is bearish. But once Bitcoin starts breaking major resistance levels, once we see a bullish cross on the weekly chart for Bitcoin, that is exactly when we might start breaking up for some altcoins. And considering the fact that Polkadex is a low cap gem, okay, it can take very few days for us to start flipping bullish on Polkadex, because it's a low cap gem. It doesn't take that much money to reverse the price and start a random pump. So just be on the lookout for that. There are good swing trade opportunities with these pumps here, as you can see. And yeah, you have your major targets. If you're looking for support targets, $1.30, the 20 daily EMA, and the second fib level here at $1 basically. So that is what I'm targeting. And yeah, thank you all for watching. If I missed out anything important on the charts, please let me know down below in the comment section. Feel free to follow me on Twitter. Feel free to join me on my Patreon. That's a great way to support the channel, to support me, and for you to get more exclusive content like technical analysis requests, podcasts where I take a look at my portfolio. We also do trade alerts, low cap gems, market sentiment analysis, project highlights. So all of that is going to be on Patreon. Feel free to check that out. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace out.